Hey folks, John Becker here, former state representative from Clermont County, bringing to you the January edition of the Becker Report. Hey, you can go out to my website, beckergop.com, and subscribe. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can find me at Becker GOP. My contact information is at the end of this video. So in the January edition of the Becker Report, I have a number of topics. It starts with President Trump, both pros and cons. Then I get into the Biden administration and talking about some of his executive orders, one of them having to do with Lola. Actually, two of them having to do with Lola. And you might remember a group called the Kinks from 1970. And DuckDuckGo, search that one, and you'll find it. Also, I simply hyperlink it in the Becker Report to get you there more quickly. Then after that, I talk about the minimum wage a little bit and propose $200 an hour. And if you let me know if you think that's too much or too little. Have a little fun with that. And then I get into talking about the private citizen affidavits, and specifically Washington County. So what happened to Washington County is so a citizen filed a private citizen affidavit, and they ushered it through civil court rather than criminal court. And so I went back and forth with them, and because they victimized the person filing this private citizen affidavit, and charged the citizen, it was almost $200. So they were polite and professional, but at the end of the day, they told me to go pound sand. If I got a problem with it, I can hire an attorney, or the victim can hire an attorney and fight them in court. Well, that is what happened in Clermont County, and the court sided with the people. And then, but that's only good in the 12th district, so it doesn't necessarily apply statewide. Actually, it doesn't, but it is influential statewide. So rather than funding an appeal in the thousands of dollars, I simply chose to write a personal check to reimburse the victim. Now, the victim didn't ask me to do that, but I'm the one encouraging people to do these private citizen affidavits. And so I just felt obligated. But hey, don't expect me to do that again. I'm giving you a heads up. When you do these private citizen affidavits, make sure they go through criminal court. If your clerk of courts is not going to send it through criminal court, then don't do it. Take it down to the prosecutor's office and tell them the same thing, that this belongs in criminal court. And if they refuse and say we're going to civil court, then just don't do it, because you're going to wind up with court costs, and I don't like to see people get screwed. Hey, and then also I talk about a Clermont County resolution where we ask the Ohio, so that's the Clermont County Republican Party, we issued a resolution or passed a resolution asking the state of Ohio GOP, so the Ohio Republican Party, to not do any endorsements in the May 2022 primary election. So you're going to see Governor DeWine on the ballot. Hopefully he's challenged by somebody. I anticipate that's going to be Jim Renacci, but we'll see. And we're going to see Rob Portman's seat for U.S. Senate on the ballot. And based on some information I saw in Newsmax yesterday, I think Josh Mandel might step up to run for that. At least I hope he does. That would be great. So hey, go ahead and subscribe to, again, the Becker Report and my YouTube channel. My contact information is at the end of this video. Please reach out to me if there's anything I can do for you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.